everyone, welcome to the OklaRoots YouTube channel. In today's super quick watch and learn, we're going to work through a quilt block. Yes, a quilt block. If you didn't know, I started out sewing as a quilter. We did a year-long quilt along. I'll have the playlist for that linked down below. Way back in the day, actually right before COVID hit, and then it became like our COVID quilt. It was really wild, but it was a beautiful quilt that we came out with. I have been asked to do another quilt along, and so I am working on designing that, and I'm currently testing out blocks. I'm hoping we can get this started in 2026. So today we're going to work on testing out one of the blocks from the next quilt along, and this is a Christmas tree. I mean, it can be any kind of a tree, honestly. You can make it a fall themed or winter themed block. I'm not going to give you too much information about the quilt idea just yet because it is really fun and I want to like show it all to you at once. But part of the process of developing a quilt pattern is I have to test out every single one of the blocks, and every single block is going to be completely unique. So I figure today, let's just turn the camera on and let's test out this block. So there is some trial and error. I've already recorded it. I did have to make some modifications along the way, so I'll try to put up some text where I can. However, if you are interested in making this block, it does finish at 14.5 by 14.5 inches, making a great size for a tote bag, which we will be making tomorrow with this block. And so if you want to make this quilt block, at the very end of the video, I will have a screenshot with a diagram showing all the pieces, and it has all the measurements for each piece. So if you'd like to follow along, you're gonna want to scroll all the way to the end, grab that screenshot, save it to your device, and then you can go back to the beginning of the video and you can watch how we put it together. It's very, very simple. Probably the most complicated part is going to be this top row right here, but other than that, it's a very simple block to put together, and I think I had a lot of fun making it. I like getting in my cozies and making some quilt blocks, and so I hope you'll do the same. If you're new to the OklaRoots YouTube channel, please consider clicking subscribe down below. If at any point you like this video, please give it a like. Any questions, comments, anything at all, leave them down in the comment section. There's a lot of quilt blocks in the next quilt along. I will tell you that. It is a lot. It's not the first quilt along we did, the OklaRoots block party, that was focused solely on beginners, beginner quilters. So if you are just starting out or you're thinking about it, go check out that quilt along. However, this next one we're doing, this is going to have a hodgepodge. This is probably one of the easier blocks that I've designed. There's going to be all kinds of blocks in the next one. There's going to be really complicated ones with little pieces. There are going to be easy ones. There are going to be English paper piecing. There's going to be some applique. There's going to be a lot in the next quilt along. I'm really excited about that. It's going to let us flex our quilting finger muscles. Okay guys, let's get started. Bye.